Mini Cam is one of the most cost-effective home security cameras available today. This power adapter-tailored indoor cam has great functionality and performance, but it lacks free cloud storage in addition to a complimentary 30-day Blink subscription plan. The Blink Mini includes a dependable 1080p HD live video feed, responsive motion warnings, and two-way communication that was crystal clear on day 3982 of our house quarantine due to the coronavirus pandemic. It also contains motion detection zones that successfully filtered off motion activity in the locations I specified, as well as an extensive settings section in the Blink app with plenty of customization options. You can change the length of the recorded clips, the strength of the infrared LEDs for night vision, and the sensitivity of the motion sensor, among other things. This camera is meant to operate with Alexa-enabled smart speakers and displays, but I didn't test the display because we don't have any. In principle, you should be able to see a Blink Mini's live feed or recorded clips on a smart display, but we validated that you can arm and disarm the camera for motion detection using a smart speaker. The Blink Mini does not work with Google Assistant or Siri through Apple HomeKit. The app is compatible with both Apple and Android devices. If you want to store cloud footage on your Blink camera, you can sign up for a free 30-day Blink subscription. See what's happening live in HD video anytime, day or night. See the inside of your home on your smartphone no matter where you are with Blink Mini HD video and built-in infrared night vision. Get alerts right on your smartphone whenever motion is detected. With the use of Blink latest chip technology, Blink Mini lets you customize motion detection zones so you are only alerted to the movement that matters to you. Hear and speak to family, friends, or visitors through your Blink app. Blink Mini lets you see what's happening in your home, but also hear and talk back. It's like being home even when you eat not. The Blink Mini comes with a little stand for placing it on a shelf or counter, as well as a couple screws for mounting it to a wall or ceiling. You'll have a fixed view of the direction it's looking once it's in position. You can zoom in and select activity zones to focus on specific areas, but there is no pan or tilt functionality. The Blink Mini Pan Tilt mount is useful if you wish to pan or tilt the view on your Blink Mini. The new $30 attachment gives your camera complete 360-degree viewing capabilities. It also complements the appearance of the Blink Mini. And best of all, after testing a number of inside cameras, there is no swiping to move the view. The software has an up, down, left, and right pad so you can direct the camera without swiping. Overall, the Blink Mini is a good camera that meets expectations, especially considering its affordable price. It would be good if the camera came with unlimited free cloud storage and pan and tilt functionality, but both shortcomings can be remedied with a Blink subscription and the new pan tilt mount. Click the link below, and if you like the video give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more updates.